Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to use the recipe function. We need to create a new project. The file name is recipe. The HMI type is TK8070H. At CoolMate 363 GPLC. I chose COM1 all-in-one machine. You can view the screen properties here. Click OK. Find recipe options. Right-click and create a new recipe. The length and total number of recipe here are both full. The data type is a 16-bit positive integer. Check to read the recipe into the register. Read address to select CoolMate 3U3GD100. Check to write the recipe from the register. If the write address is different from the read address, uncheck the box. Here I choose to write and read the same. Click Data phase. This is where recipe data is set. Click OK after filling it out. For easier demonstration, I prepared the components in advance. The number address is a WIO. Water address is D100. The sugar address is D101. The sugar address is D102. The yeast address is D103. These four pieces of data are the data for one set of formula. Read the recipe register as LB9010. Set the switch type to 1. Write to the recipe register as LB9011. Set the switch type to 1. Save the recipe register selection as LB9012. Set the switch type to on. In the formula position, you can possibly see the function of the register addresses. Then we will download the project to the HMI. Okay, let's do an actual demonstration. Set the recipe parameters with number as 0 separately. Click the button to write to the recipe register. The button will reset automatically after writing is completed. Set the recipe parameters with number as 1 separately. Click the button to write to the recipe register. Set the recipe parameters with number as 2 separately. Click the button to write to the recipe register. Then we can check the content set before number 0. Content set before number 1. Content set before number 2. Okay, let's power off and restart. After powering on, it was found that data could not be saved to the HMI when reading. So how do we need to set it up? Please follow me to operate. Modify the recipe parameters with number set to 0. Click to write to the recipe register. Then you must click the Save Recipe button. Modify the recipe parameters with number set to 1. Click to write to the recipe register. Then you must click the Save Recipe button. Modify the recipe parameters with number set to 2. Click to write to the recipe register. Then you must click the Save Recipe button. Then cut off the power and restart. Then read the parameter value of any number. This is the only way to make the parameters retain power of memory. So that's all for learning about using the recipe. Thank you.